뭐 그런 것도 있어요.
Hi, how are y'all doing today? Good, excellent. Well, welcome here to Montana's. Yes, my name is Tiffany. I'll be looking after you today. So if you need anything or have any questions, let me know. So I'm gonna grab some drinks or waters or anything to get started. Sounds good, thank you.
케이크.
이 집 재밌다. 이게 메시.
얼마나 걸릴까 시간이? 어디 갈까 아빠? 어느 차에 갈 거야? 너 캐나다? 모르겠어? 어? 뭐에 맞춘 거야? 아니 어떤 사람은 뭐 하고 잘 모르겠어.
뭐가 축하할 일 있나 보지? 무슨 일이래? 어?
생일이야.
Chicken spur. The steak is going to be a few minutes, so if we need more ribs in the meantime, we'll get that going.
Okay.
Do we need more plates or anything?
I think you better order one more time.
One more plate like this
Yeah.
and get some more ribs?
Yeah.
Yeah, sounds good. Thank you.
이거 어떻게 먹지? 뭐 먹을래? 먹어. 시켜.
Eggshell for you, dear.
야.
Thank you.
휴지 없이 안 쓰는 거 하나 있어. 어떤 거? 휴지 안 쓰는 거.
있어.